viewers, welcome back to our channel again. I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser here in A. Marquez Realty. So for today's vlog, we will be featuring Madonna Residences here in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga. So together with me is Mr.
Joni.
Hi Sir Joni.
Hello.
So we will be featuring 3 model units here in Madonna.
Yes.
Namely, we have
The Melcon, Julieta, and the Abigail.
Abigail. Okay, so unahin na natin is the Julieta model unit. So Julieta comes with a standard lot area of 164 square meter and a floor area of 135 square meter. So as we've entered with the house, of course, it comes with 2-car garage, di ba Sir Joni?
Yes, yes sir, tama po. So for Julieta model, as you can see, pahaba yung parking niya kasi para sa mga SUV and vans, kasya na talaga siya. So worryless sa mga dalawang sasakyan, they can park their car here na safe ang mga sasakyan nila.
And I've noticed na wala siyang, Sir Joni, fence.
Oo po, yes. Sa mga project namin, sa mga model house namin, kung mapapansin niyo, mga houses sa Madonna, wala talaga silang mga gates. To achieve nung ating US Mediterranean houses. Pero rest assured tayo sa security ng subdivision kasi may mga roving guards tayo and mga CCTVs na
24/7.
Yes.
So since single detached yung mga bahay dito, so you still have the provision for your, of course, your garden here and the lanay.
Yes,
so,
sir.
dito.
So sa lanay, ito yung natin. Parang extension from the dining area. Pwede kang mag-set up ng small table here. You can have coffee
in the morning, diba?
Yes. Gusto mo mag-relax. Pwede dito.
Yes.
Buong family kasya dito.
Yep. And then, what I love also about this is its backyard. So, dito sa backyard, you still have a lot of space, no? Na pwedeng gamitin. So, pwede pa bang magtayo ng swimming pool dito? Di ba?
Ang sinasuggest namin, sir, is yung mga inflatable pool. Pwede siya. Kaya lang yun, masasayang kasi yung space natin. Pwede siyang gawin as landscape. So marami. Pwede ka rin mag-set ng big table here pag mga Sunday events, mga bisita natin. Pwede natin silang dalhin dito. May privacy.
Yes.
So hindi na nila kakailanganin yung parking na gamitin. Dito na lang at the back.
Yeah.
So kasama na rin sa ating turnover yung mga metal clothes sign or sampayan.
And the louvers.
Metal louvers included na rin yan. So wala na iintindihin pa si client.
Correct.
Turnover.